Due to the pandemic, my family and I have been spending most of our time inside of our home. I got tired of seeing the same boring porch, therefore, I decided to decorate it. Now we have a safe, relaxing outdoor entertainment area. Hello, Studio Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Kiata Studio. I am Amber. This is my art studio. I am a full-time artist. I am also a mother, and I usually create YouTube videos about my artwork and my lifestyle. In this video, you will see how I took my dull and boring porch from drab to fab. I plan on giving my porch a splash of color, a little bit of tropical influences, a couple of new plants, and I wanted to feel like an outdoor living room area. Starting in this corner, the Centronella candles inside the black and white metal tin are from my friend Tiffany. She gave those to me. And these turquoise tables are from Five Below. They were $5 each. This patio sofa is $380 from Big Lots. I like the geometric pattern on the side of the bench. These large tropical plant pillows on the sofa came from Walmart. They are $15 each. This outdoor rug came from Big Lots. It was only $5. I have just one of these tropical plant glass and metal end tables from Walmart. It cost me $25. This cute and super soft blanket was given to me by my cousin Helen. This beautiful hosta I purchased from Walmart. It was a little bit over $4. This particular hosta is called August Moon. This turquoise plant pot is $5. I purchased it from Five Below. I purchased this glass plant mister from Five Below as well. It was $3. I purchased this Centronella plant from Walmart. It cost $10. It came in this hanging basket. It says that you can allow it to grow in the hanging basket, but I may eventually take it out and repot it. In this corner is another turquoise metal table from Five Below. It was only $5. I have a total of 2 of them. I totally love this bamboo fencing. I got it from Home Depot. I purchased 2 of these for my porch. They are $26 each. I paid $9 for 100 of these cable ties from Home Depot. I purchased these Solar Fairy string LED lights from Five Below. They were $5. We hung them up with box tape. I already had this baby gate. I use it to keep my dog on the porch. I already had this video projector as well. I got that from Office Depot, and of course I got my MacBook Air from the Apple Store. These hooks and movie screen came from Amazon. I purchased them for $7. During the daytime when the sun is up, the video on a video projector looks like this, and at night it looks much clearer like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.